four-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 5-liter V8 powered underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let you get a good look at the front chrome as far as the bumper. Take a look at the headlight surrounds, grille. You notice there is a little piece missing out of the filler panel there. Light sage metallic. And it appears a lot of this paint is original to the car. It does show its age some, as far as luster and shine, as you can see. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see it from every angle, inside and out, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Pontiac spoke wheel covers. Take a look in the still pictures at the tires. You'll see plenty of tread on those left. But you come across a few spots like this where, again, paint shows its age some. Maybe a ding, light scratch here or there. But no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Believed to be original miles according to the previous owners. A little over 85,000 on this one. As you can see, also has the fender skirts or tire skirts, fender skirts if you will. It does come with a car cover that will be in the trunk. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. New battery was installed in this car recently in our shop, FYI. Take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Plush interior on these with the Brougham package. Of course, the pillowed seats. Take a look at the rear. One thing I want to point out too is there is some spots in the vinyl where it is dried and cracked. Power windows, power locks. Has had an aftermarket Sony stereo put in it also. So easily it starts. Nice running, nice sounding vehicle. Tilt column, cruise. There's your exact miles, 85,119. That Sony stereo I was talking about. Dash looks like it's in good shape. Power seat. You see a seat appears to be free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner will need a little attention. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Guess what you'd expect a stock V8 to sound like in 1985 from Pontiac. Alright, slip up to the front. Check out this engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, hood open here. Pretty stock looking engine bay. I guess what you probably expected to see. 85 Parisienne. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. The text did note right needs to be charged in working order, but the press was taken. Sounds good, looks good. Lip liner. 1985 Pontiac Parisienne Brougham 4-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.